All right, so what we're going to do first of all is we're going to get logged into our iLit and we're going to take the assessment for today. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your iLit homepage, which you should have bookmarked. Okay, it looks like this. All right, your organization is Bloomington Public Schools. Your username was what I emailed to you last week. It should be your first name and your last initial. And then you have a password that was also emailed to you. It is the word learn and then a number. So whatever those things that were emailed to you, you're going to put them in here. If you logged in last week, those things should still be there. They should be saved. So once you are here, you're going to click login, and it's going to take you to this first screen that looks like this. Okay, remember we did this last week with the carousel and the books and all the stuff. Miss Bombanek went through that with you. So what you're going to do today is you're going to go down to the assignments. You can see here, I've circled it in red. Go to the assignments and click on that. That'll bring you to this page, assignments right here. And you are going to find your assessment here under monitor progress. I have this circled over here. Okay. You will also notice that over here, there's a red circle, and that tells you that you have an assignment. So in the future, if you have assignments over here, you're going to see them right here, and that will tell you that you have an assignment. Okay, so you are going to click on the grade level D, beginning of the year assignment, and you're going to take the test. All right, so there is 4 different things that we are assessing when we are using this assessment. And that's vocabulary, sentence comprehension, listening comprehension, and passage comprehension. What we're going to do this week is the first 3, but today we're just going to do the first 1. So you're just going to do the vocab quiz. Okay? All right, so the vocabulary quiz has 35 questions. They are multiple choice, and you're going to select the best meaning for the word. So it gives you a word in a sentence, and then you're going to select that best meaning right there. Okay? There are 35 questions. Please, 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 please do not just click through, because then I don't know what you really need to work on. Okay? I need you to take your time to read and think and answer the best you can. Okay? So if you don't finish your 35 questions in class today, that's okay. But I want you to finish them today. Like, use your flex time, use your asynchronous time, and finish these today, okay? And then you're going to save and exit, and it means you're ready to start the next session when we meet again, okay? So all you need to do today is the vocabulary, the 35 questions, okay? Please finish today. Questions, call me, text me, email me. I'm happy to help, here for you. Have a great day.